Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm showing you how to make a crochet bag keychain. Super quick, super easy, and perfect for beginners. Want more patterns or written instructions? Head over to my website, crochetstrends.com. Feel free to use any color combinations you like and crochet your bag in any size that suits you. I'll walk you through every single step, from the stitch count to the measurements, so you can easily make your bag bigger or smaller. As you can see, these little bags turned out super cute and stylish. For this project, I'll be using 4-ply cotton yarn. We'll need 3 keychain clips for this design. 2 will be for the bag handles, and the third one will attach the keychain. For the top of the bag, I'm adding these daisy-shaped buttons. Aren't they adorable? But feel free to decorate it your own way. Use any charms or embellishments you like. We'll be crocheting the keychain using a 2.20mm hook. And finally, we'll need some Fiberfill stuffing to give the keychain its soft, puffy look. If you're enjoying this so far, don't forget to like and subscribe. And let's jump right into making our adorable keychains. Let's start by removing the chain links from 2 of the keychain clips. Once those are off, we'll use a crochet chain to connect both clips. Easy and fun. First, let's make a chain stitch. Now be extra careful not to secure the yarn on this narrow section. That's super important. Look, just like this. While the yarn is still on your hook, insert it through the ring and make a slip stitch. Now go ahead and chain 25 stitches. There we go, 25 chains are done. That chain sets the height of your bag, so it's kind of the base measurement. Want a taller bag? Just add more chains. After finishing your 25 chains, make sure the narrow part is facing down. Then insert your hook into the ring and make a slip stitch. Now turn the ring, just like this. You'll see 2 loops here. Don't work into the slip stitch. We'll single crochet into the top of each chain instead. We'll make 25 single crochets in total. Once you've finished those 25 single crochets, insert your hook into the ring again and make a slip stitch. Now turn both the ring and your work, just like this. From here, we'll work single crochets into the back loops only, all the way to the end of the row. Make sure you have the same number of single crochets in every row. That's really important. Since we started with 25 chains, you should have 25 single crochets in each row. No more, no less. Don't skip that 25th stitch. Make sure you place a single crochet there too. Now insert your hook into the ring again and make a slip stitch. First, turn the ring, then rotate the piece itself. Start just behind the first single crochet and continue working into the back loops, all the way to the end of the row. Once you've finished the last stitch, make a slip stitch through the ring. Then turn the ring and your work. Repeat the same steps, 25 single crochets in the back loops, and keep building up until your bag reaches the width you want. I kept repeating that process, and I ended up with 17 rows in total. The more rows you add, the wider your bag will be. And if you start with more chains, you'll get a taller bag too. After finishing the last stitch of the 17th row, insert your hook into the ring again and make one final slip stitch. Chain 1, then leave a bit of yarn and go ahead and cut it off. Now fold the bag in whichever direction you like. Now we're going to stitch it together. Let's do this part carefully. You can also add stuffing through this open area here. Once your bag is stuffed, feel free to decorate the bottom right corner with any charms or embellishments you like. To keep the video short, I'll sew the button on off camera, right here in the bottom right corner. Now, let's attach the bag handles using the third keychain clip. And that's it. Our keychain clip is all set. That's everything I wanted to share in this video. I really hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Until next time. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Take care and happy crocheting!